The functioning of a carousel is the same as that of an effect, but instead of using a curve to define its value variations, the carousel uses keyframes. To illustrate the carousel, we will create a flyout with our spots. This example contains only 2 keyframes, but keep in mind that you can have as many as you want. To create our carousel, click on Edit, then click on the carousel grid. Each part of the carousel contains a selection and a list of steps. For our demonstration, we will add our spots to the selection. The flyout will be defined by 2 steps. The first step with the spots facing down and off, and the second with the spots facing up and at full intensity. To create the first step, I input intensity and tilt values in my first step. I can duplicate this step for my second step, and set the intensity and tilt to full. I launch my carousel, and I see that my spots move from one point to another, but I want the descent to be faster, and without an intensity fade. To do this, I set the fade of my step to 0 and reduce its duration to 0.1. Step durations are relative to each other. I could have left this duration at 1 and set the other to 10, which would have the same effect. Just like with effects, we can add modifiers such as buddying, blocks, and wings. I can randomize the order of my spots by adding a shuffle filter to my selection.